Hello guys, welcome to Angular series. In this video I am going to show you how to install Angular materials on your Angular project. Are you ready? Let's get started. Open your editor and click on terminal. So first I am going to create Angular project. Okay, cd disk desktop. I am going to create an Angular project on my desktop. Okay, that's why I changed my directory. So we learned in the previous video that how we can create Angular project by ng new and the name of the project. For example, Angular material. Okay, the name of the project. Enter. Would you like that routing? I don't need routing for this project. SCSS. So it's creating our Angular project. So we should wait some, 1 minute. Okay. If you're new here, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you so much in advance. Okay. It's creating my Angular project. Yeah. Package installed successfully. So now I'm going to open my project I created on my desktop. Angular material. This is my project which I created now. Okay. Open your source folder. Okay, app, and open your terminal. And first you should go to this website, materialangular.io. This is the official website where you can use Angular materials component. First we should install. The first step is we should install Angular material, which is here, by using this command ng add Angular material. I'm going to copy, okay, and paste it here. It's installing our Angular materials. Click enter. Would you like to proceed? Yes. And here you should choose your theme. I'm going to choose Indigo Pink. This is the material theme. Enter. Would you like to set up global Angular material? Yes. Set up browser animation? Yes. I installed Angular material successfully, and now we can use Angular components, Angular material components in our project. I'm going to delete everything from here and go to the website and click on component. Here we have different components. On the left side we have button, card, everything you can use. For example, I am going to use button. Okay, and first thing, if you want to use Angular material, you should go to API and import mat button in your app module.ts. Here, import here and add also here. Okay, mat button. That's it. And now you can use Angular material buttons. For example, come here and go to overview and click here, and we can, for example, use this button. copy that and paste it here. Okay, button, matte button, and let's see the output. Let's run our project. We also learned how to run our Angular project. ng serve. That's it. That's how we can run our Angular project. Yeah, it's compiled successfully. Open your browser, type localhost. As you can see, now we used our Angular material buttons, which is primary. See, when I mouse over, and we can use also, just a minute, for example, these buttons, this type of buttons. Copy that and paste it here. And save, and see, we use this button. That's how we can use Angular materials. And that's it, guys. I hope you will like it, and if you like the video, please do subscribe my channel and share with your friends. See you in the next video.